The first app in our list is Dablo. It is an app which lets you earn money by playing games, testing apps and completing different offers. This is a completely new website and app which provides multiple ways to make money. If you want to make money by playing games, just select the game. It will have certain levels having specific earnings. For example, I click on the candy grape. You have to complete this offer in 60 days and the estimated earning is $100. When you complete this offer, you will also get a $10 bonus. You have to complete different tasks in the game you have selected. The more tasks you complete, the more your earnings will increase. These apps and games are available on Android, iOS and even desktop or computer. You can withdraw your earnings through gift cards and Visa. It is a new app. More payment options are going to be added. The next app in our list is Repocket. This app is available worldwide no matter where you are from. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can make money by completing micro tasks. The main earning option in this app is to share your unused internet bandwidth. All you need is just create your account in 30 seconds. Keep the app running in the background. The more you let the app in the background, the more money you will earn. Let me tell you that this won't make you rich, but it's a passive income which in a month you can expect from $50 to $80. But the plus part is, it doesn't affect your internet. You can also make money through referrals. The more friends you invite, the more commission you will earn. And plus part is, when you invite a friend and your friend invite his friend, you get double commission. So focus on the referrals, which is a smart and passive way to make money. The next website in our list is Survey. This is available worldwide and one of the legit and high-paying survey websites. If you want to make money by taking surveys, this is the right place for you to make some extra cash. This is the dashboard after you log into your account. These are the surveys you can complete. This is the estimated time of a survey and the survey will pay you in your local currency. The earning of the survey in this website is just fine, or we can say above the average. New surveys are added in the platform every hour and every day. The more you complete the surveys, the more new surveys will be unlocked. You can also get the bonus. When you complete surveys, you will be rewarded with bonuses, which is in a sense a passive income. You can also make money by inviting your friend. When you invite a friend, you get 10% of their earnings for life. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, and even direct bank transfer. The next step in our list is Earn Money, Get Paid, Get Cash. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can make money by completing simple surveys. For example, I click on this survey, I answered a few questions, and here you go. I earned money in front of you guys, which is added to my wallet. You can also make money by playing games. Select the game you are interested in and play. It will give you certain levels and each level will have specific earnings. The more you complete the levels, the more money you will earn. There is also $100 daily leaderboard. The higher your ranking in the leaderboard, the higher your reward will be. You can also make money through referral. Invite your friend and earn reward. If your friend earns 50,000 credits, you will also be rewarded with 50,000 credits. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal. The minimum payout threshold is $6, which is equal to 6 million credits. So try one of these apps and start making money today.